Everyone, myself Ms. Preeti Pasricha. I work as an assistant academic coordinator in CP Goenka International School, Thane. To begin with, what did we do during COVID-19? We have learned and learned and learned. Now, learning is not only through books, but we have also learned different ways of living. We have learned different positive, constructive, productive ways of living. As soon as the lockdown was announced in March 2020, immediately we began with our online classes. Our learners and our teachers got acquainted to this new platform altogether. We had stopped suddenly without conducting our summative exams, like those were still pending. So we made it a point that our learners should not be deprived of any knowledge. So we continued with the teaching part and we had a few online assessments. Besides that, when we reopened again in the month of June, we have been doing different kind of activities which we don't do otherwise during a physical school. Like for example, our physical school is shut completely. So the children are missing their library. So we have not stopped our library, and how we have done that is we have started with Dear Club online. Dear here is DEAR, drop everything and read. Our learners are made to read a book that we'll upload a link for them every day, for every 15 days, and we make them read those books, and we also make them to fill a reading log after reading those books. We conduct different type of activities, like recently we had Raksha Bandhan. So since everybody is using mask nowadays, which we are forced to use rather, so we made a new term to it. We have given a different term to it altogether. We started with Swasth Bandhan. So these children tied a small sacred thread to their masks, because since these masks are protecting them from coronavirus, we also had this a new word for Independence Day. Like Independence Day we celebrated recently. So to spell the word freedom differently, we gave a name FREADOM, that is freedom for them. And how that freedom we made them do is we made them read a small article on any of the national leaders and write few lines on the national leader. So this was freedom how we got into. And then we are also not stopping with our field trips. We are conducting virtual field trips for our learners. We are like conducting everything virtually, though the physical school has stopped, but still whatever the children used to do during physical school, they are continuing during online as well. Now, if I talk as a person about myself, I have learned n number of courses during this COVID-19. I have enrolled myself for n number of courses. I have done 10 to 12 different courses from Cambridge, and I have also learned different certificate courses, as in from online to offline, from offline to online, transition from offline to online, transition from Blackboard to broadband, and various other courses. I have been glad to come across those so many courses and to complete those courses successfully. I have also learned these new methods of learning, like blended learning, hybrid teaching, and this coding which has come up recently. So all these different type of courses I have also enrolled myself for a new, like I'm studying further with IGNOU. I have enrolled myself for post-graduation diploma in school leadership and management. Now I will quote my mom here. When I was young, she had told me that each one should be learning till his or her last breath. So that is what I am doing. Though COVID-19 has stopped so many things, but learning has not stopped for me, and neither for our learners in the school. Thank you so much.